In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from your broker in TradingView. This is a quick process, but it's very important, especially if you're using a shared computer or simply want to make sure your trading account is secure when you're done. First, make sure you're logged into TradingView and that your broker account is currently connected. You'll usually know you're connected if you can see your broker's name somewhere near the trading panel or at the bottom of the screen where your orders and positions are displayed. Once you've confirmed that, look toward the area where your broker connection is shown. You'll see a small arrow icon next to your broker's name or connection status. This arrow is usually pointing down or to the side and indicates that there's a menu you can open. Move your mouse over that area and click on the arrow. This will open a drop-down or small menu with several options related to your broker connection. In that menu, you should see an option labeled Logout or Disconnect. This is the option you'll use to safely end your broker session within TradingView. Go ahead and click on Logout. When you do this, TradingView will disconnect from your broker, meaning your trading account will no longer be actively linked in this browser session. Depending on your broker and your TradingView settings, you might see a brief confirmation message, or the broker name might simply disappear from the trading panel. That's a good sign that the logout worked. If your broker offered multiple accounts or servers, you should now see that you're no longer connected to any of them. After logging out, it's a good habit to double check that you're really disconnected. Look again at the trading panel or the area where your broker name used to be. It may now say something like Connect Broker or Select Broker, indicating that no broker is currently active. If you're on a public or shared device, consider also logging out of your TradingView account itself and closing the browser tab when you're done. This adds an extra layer of security for your charts, layouts, and watch lists. And that's all there is to it. By clicking the arrow next to your broker in TradingView and selecting Logout, you keep your trading account safe and make sure no one else can place trades from your session.